guys, today we are going to look at how to change Samsung SG21 Plus screen. Samsung SG21, the screen. This is how it look like. This is the phone. Samsung SG21. And if you see, it's very expensive. This phone is close to 10,000 Ghana cedi. And then if you check online, the screen, if you check Koforidua, the screen is about 3,000 Ghana cedi and above. If you check Accra too, somewhere 3,000 Ghana cedis. That's how they sell the screen. So today we are going to open it and see how we can remove the screen and check the screen online. Today, guys, let's open the back of the Samsung. To open the back of the Samsung, you have to use a flat edge to open it like this. Open it like this. So this is how the back is. Okay, so to remove the onboard screen, you need to apply a little heat on the onboard screen by using the heating sodium iron. To apply the heat on the edge like this, after applying the heat on the edges, use a very sharp edge. For instance, you can use something like blade, with the blade, or even this sharp edge. Yeah. This is the blade. So closely use the blade to remove the edge gently. After remove the edge, you put another flat edge on it. Remove the edge gently like this. If you remove small, then you apply some heat small. Okay, so by removing the edge or like this, okay, you remove the screen like this. Okay, so this is the screen. This is the onboard screen. Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. Alright, so you can buy the screen alone, or you can buy the screen with the flip. This is the flip of the phone. It's a metal flip. The flip, we have different colors. We have black, silver, gold, and yellow. You can get the flip. Right. Now, let's check online how much we can get the screen apart from Accra and Koforidua price. Alright, so let's go use another phone to track the screen online. Probably, let's check. This is the applications on the screen. Let's check AliExpress. So this is AliExpress. Yeah, so this is the home screen, the dashboard of AliExpress. And this is the screen. Okay, so with the screen, we play this display in a very transparent, or let's say brighter place. The engraved camera on the AliExpress page. And you make sure you focus the screen for you to get all the inscriptions on the screen. So if you snap the screen, it will take you to their site. Then it will give you exact type of screen. So as you can see, you have found the screen. So when you click on this is the screen. So you can scroll it and see the screen. This is how the screen looks like. And if you check the price under it, the price is, see, no, sorry, the price is 360. You see the price on it? 360 Ghana cedis and some small coins on it. So guys, what we are trying to say is that if you closely check the screen, you see that the screen alone without the film is 360.96 cedis. So if you want to buy it, you just buy it from AliExpress straight. So the screen, as we are saying, you can get the screen with the flame, which is 700 Ghana cedi. I want to show you that one. There are many stores. These stores, they sell the screen 379 Ghana cedi on AliExpress speech. So you see that sometimes people may say the screen is 3,000 Ghana cedi for a Samsung SG21 Plus, but if you check online, sometimes the screen doesn't reach that cost. So you closely scroll, check different types of stores. See, some of the stores is really 1,000 and some coins on it. Alright, so if you get a screen online, close to 1 week to 2 weeks to ship it, and you can get it wherever you are to your destination. So guys, most of the time people might say the screen is 3,000 and above. Samsung screen is so expensive, but if you closely check on the market on the internet, you can find affordable price for your Samsung screen. So guys, subscribe and like, share to get more updates on our channel. See you again.